Let's dive into the internet or the social media marketing concepts. Webi, Webisode, short featured films created by advertiser such as those created by Jaguar and BMW are examples of webisodes in which companies create their own content to advertise their products. New media. World Wide Web underwent significant changes, and these changes led to adoption of and the referral to the new web as Web 2.0. The birth of Web 2.0 has led to the development of many new media. Social media is referred to as forms of electronic communication such as websites through which people create online communities to share information, idea, personal messages, etc. Social networking sites. Social networking sites, which are platforms for networks or social relations among people who share interest, activities, backgrounds, or real life connections. Podcasting. Podcasting is a medium that uses the internet to distribute audio or video films for downloading into iPods, iPads, tablets, and other portable devices. Really simply syndication, RSS. Really simply syndication is simplification specification that uses XML to organize and format web-based content in a standard way. Content owners create a RSS feed which usually consists of titles and brief descriptions of about 10 articles elsewhere on the site. Blog. A blog or a weblog is a web-based publication consisting primarily of periodic articles, normally presented in reverse chronological order. As noted, blogs may reflect the writings of an individual, a community, a political organization, or a corporation, and they offer advertisers a new way to reach their target audiences. QR code. QR code may be beginning to grow in popularity. They are being threatened by a new technology, near field communication, that is NFC. Virtual and augmented reality. The virtual reality world second life has not lived up to expectation, but there are now thousands of augmented reality apps that are currently being used by marketers and consumers alike. The future promises much more. Web objectives of internet. There are some web objectives of internet. First, create awareness, general interest, disseminate information, create an image, create a strong brand, stimulate trial, create buzz, and gain consideration. Advertising on internet, that is Web 1.0, through banners, sponsorships, pop-ups and pop-unders, interstitials, paid ads, behavioral targeting, contextual ads, and rich media. Items of rich media are online commercials, video on demand, webisodes, and other forms of rich media advertising. Advantages of internet and digital and social media. You can target your market easily, that is target marketing. You can tailor your message easily, that is message tailoring. Interactive capabilities are being built up. Information access is given. Sales potentials are generated. High amount of creativity you can use. You get an exposure to your target audience. The speed is tremendous. Need to complement the IMC, and everything remains intact, that is timeliness. Disadvantages, there are measurement issues, clutter issues, potential for deception, there are privacy issues, and irritation is high. So with this, we complete the internet, the social media marketing technique used under integrated marketing communication.